Hello, my little rascals. Today I'm bringing you this code I made, all right? The code will be available with a link on GitHub. It's really important for you to have this tool here in case you need to do Bitcoin calculations. Why? Because I've already shown here that there are a lot of sites that are sketchy. They're just set up to steal your Bitcoin. For example, I've already shown you this site here, okay? This site isn't mine. I don't know it. It's sketchy, and just look at how sketchy it is. It has here, look, private key. You enter your private key thinking no one will have access, but as soon as you do, it sends your key to their server, all right? If you check the payload here, you'll see that the private key is being sent to the server of this so-called benevolent person who's providing this tool for everyone to use. So that's why I made this tool here, all right? The code will be in the description, so you can download it to your computer. You can read the code to see that there's nothing shady about it. If you still don't trust it, you can disconnect from the internet and it will work because it runs offline. I'll show you here, okay? It has this home page here where you also enter your private key, and obviously there's nothing shady going on. You can do the same thing. You can use inspect element and see in the network tab that it's not sending anything to any server, especially since the server is all in the code and will be running on your computer. But anyway, I'm going to enter the private key here. When I click calculate, it will calculate everything for me right away. Here, look, public key compressed, the IF, which is so useful there. There are other tools here that I've already made available to calculate the IF, but here's one more for you, along with the compressed address. Those who know, know. This is one of the puzzle wallets, and this here is the address. Obviously, this wallet has already been found. Otherwise, you could take this private key and claim the millions of Bitcoins that were hidden in this wallet, but this wallet has already been found, so it's already been claimed. This calculator also accepts other formats, okay? Here, we entered the private key in the 64-character hexadecimal format, but you can also, for example, enter the IF here, and it will work. And you can even enter the public key, and it will work as well. Obviously, if you enter the public key, it won't give you the private key because there's no way to reverse that calculation, but it can give you the address and the hash 160. To run it, you just need to download it, right? You can download it from GitHub. You can do a Git pull anyway, depending on your level of knowledge. You'll need Linux, or if you're on Windows, use WSL, okay? If you're unsure, check out my video about KeyHunt where I teach you how to install WSL on Windows. Then you download the program, go into the folder, and run bundle install, which is the equivalent of npm install in JavaScript, except this one is written in Ruby. So you'll install all the libraries you need, and then you'll run Rails-S to start the server. It will start the server listening on localhost 3000. Then you open your browser, go to localhost 3000, and there you have it, your Bitcoin calculator ready for you to use locally and securely.